Hi guys, so drawing number 14, and I shall just get into it. This is how I learn very quickly how to break down learning how to draw and also how to gain skills very quickly. Drawings 1, 2 and 3 all take 4 minutes each, and then with a 1 minute analysis and summary of how you feel you done. So first one, I utilise a good speed as well as good structure and proportion for the layout of the face. I use the Loomis and observational methods, and I believe I achieved good results utilising these different things. The second one, the face of the shape of the face, beg pardon, is a little bit too long. Specifically the forehead and around the nose area, I just feel that's just slightly too long for the desired effect, and the angle isn't quite right either. So I knew what to do the next time, or what I felt I had to achieve. The third one, if it sorry, there's a shadow. The third one, as much as it's a fairly decent result, it's not the overall result that I would like to achieve. It's a little bit squashed and a little bit heavy handed on the left side of the face with the pencil. One of the things that I would like to achieve is less pressure on the pencil, and that is an ongoing issue, as well as drawing better hair. And this, if you see previous videos of my hair, you'll see that my hairstyle and drawing style for hair, I should say, is improving. I do believe I managed to capture the eyes, but the face shape is a little bit too squashed. So yeah, these drawings are designed for me to try and improve very quickly and know where to improve and what to do the next time. So if you give a wee thumbs up or subscribe or comment, that would be awesome, and let me know what kind of things you like to draw, and also if you're an artist as well. Stay safe.